So let me show you how to use a live photo as an animated wallpaper on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. So if you go into your gallery and find one of your live photos, like this one, okay, so that's a live photo, that's another live photo. So you can tell it's a live photo because it's going to have the live icon here. And also, if you touch and hold any live photo, you can actually see the movement and the animations. So to use one of these as a wallpaper, just tap on the share icon in the bottom left corner and then tap on use as wallpaper. So it's gonna get set up on your lock screen. And then to know if you can use it, just tap on this icon here. And you can now see the animation, and you tap on the play button. You can actually see that animation. So once you like it and you've positioned it exactly the way you want it, you can now tap on add, the top right corner, and then you can choose whether you want to use that as a wallpaper pair or you can have a separate one for the home screen. So now if I go to my lock screen, you can see I always have that live picture. Thanks for watching and good luck.